Okay, girls, this is the second video for 4D. So I'm just going to put 4D up there, even though you know it is because it's in your booklet. Okay, so this is one where we're saying, is it smaller than? Remember, that's less than. Is it equal, or is it greater than? So I have to go in between each. So I reckon if you think about this, nobody needs me to tell them how to do this. 2/5 or 4/5, that's definitely bigger. This one has different denominators, but think about that chocolate bar again. Remember, the denominator is the number of pieces the chocolate bar is broken into. So I have a chocolate bar that's broken into 3, and a chocolate bar that's same size chocolate bar broken into 5. Would you rather have this bit or that bit? Yeah, definitely that bit. Okay, that's bigger. Okay, now is when it gets a little bit harder. So what I want you to do is pause and get a common denominator and build some new fractions for this one. Okay, I hope you got a common denominator of 15. So remember, I have to do the same to the top and bottom when I'm building. Times by 5, times by 5. This one I timesed by 3, or multiplied by 3. So this one's a little bit bigger. 10 on 15 is bigger than 9 on 15. And in these, listen, it's hard when one's mixed and one's improper. So you need to either change this one to improper or change this one to mixed. I hope you remember how to do that. It was in the a video earlier where you put in 7 into 16 and you get 2 and remainder of 2, and the 2 goes over the 7. So 2 and 3 sevens or 2 and 2 sevens, this one's definitely bigger. Okay, now what I'd like you to do is practice what we did about putting things in order with this problem. So the last example I did, it was, I'll just show you in the last video, it was this one where I had to build fractions, and I want you to just try that on your own by pausing and trying that problem. Okay, I hope what you did was that you got common denominator by doing 5 times 4 times 3, so 20 times 3 is 60. And then you built up. Okay, 4 into 60, well, it's these two multiplied together, isn't it? It's 15. So 3 times 15 is 45. You're saying, Mrs. Rafferty, you're so good at multiplying. I am. Okay, so you're going to have to maybe go off into the weeds over here if you don't know what 15 times 3 is, and do 15 times 3 over in the practice area. Okay, 5 multiplied by 12. So 4 times 12 is 48. Might have to do it down there. I think that's an easy one. What do you multiply 3 by to get 60? 20. So I get 40. All right, so let's put it in descending order. Oh, it says ascending. Oops. Don't not do the directions, right? That would be terrible. Okay, it says ascending. This is the smallest. It has the smallest denominator on the same, smallest numerator on the same denominator. And then this one, and then this one. Okay, we might do this one together in class. It's pretty hard. I think in this one, it's nice to put these all as mixed, and I think we did that last time. 4 into 7 goes 1 with 3 left over. This goes in 1 with 1/2. Then this one's already as a mixed, and this goes in 2 and 1/5. Okay, so I did that pretty fast. We might have to do it again. But these are definitely the biggest ones because they're 2. When you look at this, I don't know. I think you can decide that 3/5 is smaller than 3/4, and 1/2 is smaller yet again than either of them. Right? 2/4 is 1/2. So this is the smallest one. Then 3/5. I know, it's kind of confusing. We might have to take a little bit more time when we get to it. And then 1/5 is smaller than 1/4, so that's the next. I hope you got that one. This is really kind of a end of the test question. It's really quite difficult because we just learned how to do all that stuff. All right, so here we are. It says cross off when you've completed all these questions. And I think we had about 2 5-minute videos, so that was a big deal.